Craving fresh greens in the concrete jungle? Ever wish you could step onto your balcony and snip fresh herbs for dinner? Do you long for the sight of colorful blooms but think your concrete balcony is too small? You're not alone. Millions of city dwellers share the same dream of a lush garden even without a sprawling backyard. The good news is, there's a solution: vertical gardening. Imagine vibrant plants cascading down your balcony wall, transforming a dull space into a green oasis. Imagine the satisfaction of harvesting your own herbs, vegetables, and even fruits right outside your door. With a vertical garden, you can experience the joy of gardening no matter the size of your outdoor space. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete novice, vertical gardening offers an easy and rewarding way to bring nature closer to home. It's time to swap concrete for chlorophyll and embrace the joys of a vertical garden. Let's get growing. Balcony gardens reach new heights. What exactly is a vertical garden? Simply put, it's a gardening technique where plants grow upward on a vertically suspended support structure rather than spreading horizontally. This method is perfect for balconies, patios, and other small spaces as it maximizes the use of vertical space. Picture this: a multi-tiered planter system attached to your balcony railing, overflowing with cascading strawberries. Or, envision a recycled palette adorned with pockets of vibrant lettuce and fragrant herbs. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Vertical gardens are not just practical, they are aesthetically pleasing, adding a touch of natural beauty and vibrancy to urban dwellings. They can transform a bland balcony into a charming retreat, a green haven where you can relax, unwind, and reconnect with nature. Gathering your vertical gardening arsenal. Ready to get your hands dirty? Before you begin building your vertical garden, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools and materials. Don't worry, you won't need anything too complicated or expensive. Here's a basic list to get you started. 1. Vertical structure. This is the backbone of your garden. You can choose from various options such as wall-mounted planters, freestanding shelves, repurposed pallets, or even hanging shoe organizers. 2. Planters or containers. Opt for lightweight and durable materials like plastic or fabric. Ensure they have adequate drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. 3. Potting mix. Choose a well-draining, nutrient-rich potting mix specifically designed for container gardening. 4. Plants. Select plants that thrive in your local climate and the amount of sunlight your balcony receives. Consider a mix of herbs, vegetables, and flowering plants for variety and visual appeal. 5. Watering can or hose. A watering can with a long spout or a hose with a spray nozzle will make watering your vertical garden a breeze. 6. Gardening gloves. Protect your hands from dirt and prickly plants with a sturdy pair of gardening gloves. With these essential materials in hand, you're well on your way to creating your own vertical garden oasis. Building your garden tower, a step-by-step guide. Now let's bring your vertical garden vision to life. Follow these simple steps to create a thriving green space. First, choose your location. Select a spot on your balcony that receives adequate sunlight for your chosen plants. Most vegetables and herbs thrive in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Next, prepare your structure. If you're using a repurposed item like a pallet, clean it thoroughly and sand down any rough edges. If using a wall-mounted system, ensure it's securely fastened to the wall. Then, position your planters. Place your chosen planters or containers within your structure. Ensure they are evenly spaced to allow for proper air circulation and plant growth. After that, fill with potting mix. Fill each container with high-quality potting mix, leaving about an inch of space from the top. Now plant with care. Gently remove your chosen plants from their nursery pots and loosen any circling roots. Plant them at the same depth they were in their original containers. Finally, water thoroughly. Water your newly planted garden generously, ensuring the water reaches the roots. Congratulations, you've just built your very own vertical garden. Now let's learn how to keep it thriving. Keeping your vertical garden lush and vibrant. Maintaining a vertical garden is relatively straightforward. Here are some tips to keep your urban oasis thriving. Watering wisdom. Vertical gardens tend to dry out quicker than traditional gardens due to their elevated position. Check the moisture levels regularly, and water whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Feeding frenzy. Since you're working with a limited amount of potting mix, it's essential to replenish the nutrients regularly. Feed your plants every 2 weeks during the growing season with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer. Sunlight savvy. Rotate your plants periodically to ensure they receive even sunlight exposure. If your balcony doesn't get enough natural light, consider supplementing with grow lights. Pest control. Keep an eye out for common garden pests like aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies. If you spot any unwanted visitors, address them promptly with organic pest control methods. Pruning power. Regularly prune any dead or overgrown branches to maintain the shape and health of your plants. This will also encourage bushier growth and more abundant harvests. By following these simple maintenance tips, you'll enjoy a bountiful and beautiful vertical garden for seasons to come. Reaping the rewards. The vertical garden advantage. Embracing vertical gardening offers a plethora of benefits, making it an ideal choice for urban dwellers. Space saver. The most significant advantage? Vertical gardens maximize limited space, turning unused vertical surfaces into productive and attractive gardens. Aesthetic appeal. They instantly enhance the visual appeal of balconies, patios, and walls, adding color, texture, and life to otherwise dull spaces. Improved air quality. Plants act as natural air purifiers, filtering out pollutants and releasing fresh oxygen, creating a healthier and more pleasant environment. Homegrown goodness. Enjoy the satisfaction and flavor of fresh, homegrown herbs, vegetables, and fruits right at your fingertips. Therapeutic benefits. Gardening, even on a small scale, can be incredibly therapeutic, reducing stress and promoting a sense of well-being. With so many advantages, it's no wonder vertical gardening is gaining popularity amongst city dwellers craving a connection with nature. So why wait? Transform your balcony into a thriving vertical garden today and experience the joy of growing your own food and flowers no matter how small your space may be. Happy gardening!